Hello my wonderful people, I come with another news today. This one dey happen for Edo State, but I go explain to una as many of una wey no know how the story take start before I go leave una up to the video make una watch am. This girl wey dey on red, so wey dey this side, so they find the girl na missing child. Wetin happen? The girl follow im neighbor, this woman wey wear blue, so and the children they go water, they go river to go bath. So as they come back now, they come back without this girl. So when the parents come ask them, say, wetin happen with my daughter? He say your daughter, their daughter lost for water. He enter water carry and go. Water carry and go. Wetin happen? Your children I can't come back. You and your children come back. I'm not gonna see my own pikin carry come back again. So they don't carry job people, carry different people, go look the water. They don't find the girl. They get it now. They never see her for over 1 week now. Now the thing happen. So they come, they investigate the matter. Police don't even enter. So now they come, they question the woman now how the matter take happen. When I go hear the woman, they explain. But before I go leave the video, make una watch am. You are welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. I beg, if today na the first time we be say you dey come across this channel, make you not fail to hit the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so that you go dey get more updates from this channel. And I'll continue to update you now about this matter. Make sure you put on the notification bell. Leave your comment down below what you think about the video. Thank you very much for all your support. Let's watch the video below, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What will be your name?
My name is Sweet Otakbolo.
Okay, where you from?
I come from local room.
My people, men are not versed on our course enter that this way to around the phone. So I beg, men are not versed on that interruption. So, madam, what will be your name?
Name is Mrs. Joy.
What about you? It gets some matter where they happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Where they trend everywhere for Facebook. Say one woman carry one girl go river. He carry reach the river, the woman not bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, they ask why, what happened, how this matter they happen. Many allegations don't see they say so now so police chop money, now so they bribe police there, now so they bribe police there. So we want more to tell the world and Nigeria in diaspora and Nigeria in Africa, what really happened on the 4th of January 2021. So now we Chris Media Group say we want to find out what really happened for that on the 4th. So madam, what happened on that the 4th? I beg, very comprehensive. Tell us what happened on the 4th.
On the 4th, when I go my friend place on the 3rd, now go my friend house.
Who be your friend? What be her name?
Sandra Iyore Asemuta. That be her name.
Okay.
So I go her house, I go visit her on the 3rd, now go visit her. So that on the 4th, I lie down for a parlor. One of our visitors still comes.
You don't go that place before?
No, this was my first time.
To visit where?
Ogiso area.
Okay.
Hotel.
I bet madam wait to this victory. Where did they talk? So you know her before?
I don't know her before. What even make me go that Ogiso that on the 3rd? Because my friend children do Christmas and New Year for my house. So the mother I promised I say after Christmas and New Year, I will still come with my children. Now make me go that area. I don't know anybody for that area before. Now only that my friend.
So they say the way they talk the matter, they say you carry gallon from Aduawa, one go fresh water for Ogiso River. Any true they there?
I got well from my house. Why I go carry gallon from Aduawa? All the way from Aduawa, I'll carry gallon one go fresh water for Ogiso River.
So continue what happened on that before.
That day, that one I lie down for parlor. Where my friend Sandra Iyore Asemuta call me say if they hear some discussion for outside about my children and our children, say they want go swim for the river. Say ma go call their cars.
Sorry, now the Sandra so now born the victory.
No, now born Precious.
Okay, now your mother now be Sandra so. Okay, which number of pikin you be for your hand?
10.
Okay, now you be the woman 3rd child. Okay, no worry, we are coming back to you.
So when I come outside, I don't meet my children. So I can't rush wear my shirt and my knicker. Then this woman there outside, come tell this woman, say me show me the road to the river. So the woman come carry me go.
So madam, sorry. I pet your baby. I put on that make you baby play. Madam, really now you go show this woman the river?
Na me go show am saying they look for her children.
Now you go show am the river?
Yes.
Not be the victory can and go the river.
No be victory carry am go river.
You know this woman before?
No.
When be the first time to see this woman?
Na that on Monday.
On Monday. Okay. But you tell me now say now on the 3rd, which is also the night you go to the house. You see her that day?
I go birthday.
Okay, not go birthday. Okay, madam, so continue.
Carry your baby. So when she carry me go the river road, as we dey go, I meet my children, Christabel and Mercy, and Rachel and Precious, close to the river. Then I hold Christabel and Mercy, say mo go back house.
Madam, speak louder,
I
please.
say mo go back house. So Christabel and Mercy say, no, mom, we want to see the river. So I follow them reach close to the river.
What be that Christabel and Mercy so?
Now my children, 10 years and 8 years old.
Okay.
So when we reach the river, other children, they play already inside the water. There are 4 children. They inside the water. Aboki, they pick iron close to the river. The fisherman, they one side of the river like this. They fish for a second. There, my children.
Sorry, madam, you said that 4 people that come to the river.
Yeah.
How many boys and how many girls? Is that 4 people?
3 boys and 1 girl.
Okay.
So my children come dey beg me, say, mommy, let us bathe small now. Then I hold their hands close to the side of the river. Then they just dey bath like this. The next thing, without they come out, more ready, they go house. Now I hear shout. My sister, help, my sister. As I hear the shout,
Who they shout so?
na one boy, the boy dey struggle to come outside. He dey shout. As I turn, now I see say na one boy dey shout, help. He still dey shout, my sister. He come make sure the girl name, Victory. Now everybody take rush, you come see the person hand.
You know the Victory before?
I no know am. And my papa no know, mama no know me. I no know them before.
Okay.
That was my first time.
Okay.
So when the shout attract us, we rush to the boy. We see person hand. Now I shout, hey, Aboki, the jump enter inside water. Fisherman turn the boat from the other side with another person for a boat for back. They rush, go. Me run follow the edge of the corner of the river. So they go, they come back. As they come, I see the shout, where the girl? They say they no see him again. Then we take the shout, they come. Before we shout, they come. The brother don't pick craze, don't they go as I mean, carry my children, all of us call the shout, they go, because I never see that kind of thing for my life. The thing shocked me. I begin to shout, they cry. Then we call the chorus. As we reach house, we come, they say people don't, they my friend. I say, I had my friend, Tarapa, hey, what did happen? I say, see what I experienced now. I never see this kind of thing for my life before. One boy, they shout, sister, before people go rescue, I mean, shout, they don't see the girl again. So, now my friend, everybody, both, they come rush, go. As we they come back, when they come back, close to my friend house, now the man attack me and my daughter. They attack me and my daughter. The rest children, everybody scatter. They say, madam, you carry your children. Do not fear. I say, I don't even know your pick. I don't know them before. But the shout when your one boy shout, now make me call you the shout for rescue. May they go rescue this girl come out. But they go come back. They say they don't see the girl. Now it start to they beat me. Oh, they beat me. I don't carry a pick. Go do rituals for river. I say, I don't know you before. You know me before.
You know, priest, river priestess.
Not be river princess.
With the year say you carry white gallon go that river. How true is that?
White gallon, I no carry white gallon. What I want use white gallon go to do for river. My children I rush, run follow. Eh?
So when I come this house, so they come they beat you.
They come they beat me, tie my leg, see the mark. They tie my leg, tie my hand, tie my daughter, put tie around our neck, say they want bonus. Say they want bonus for rescue of the police. Not finish SCG. From SCG to States, I spent 4 days inside cell.
Okay.
This woman and baby.
Okay.
With my friend where I go see.
Okay, wait.
Collect my 2 phone as they beat
Madam,
me.
wait. Madam, Mama baby, what will be your involvement for this matter?
They say me go show Madam Sweet road.
To the river?
Yes.
So not be the victory can go the river?
No.
Okay, your involvement for this matter na to go show her road to the river to go meet the children.
Yes.
So for the wetin can happen when I reach the river?
Now we don already meet those children for the river. Not be we carry them go. Now Madam Sweet say he wan go carry him own children. So the children come dey say, "Mommy, let us play slow." So then she come dey close to the river. The next thing now we hear shout, "Hey, help oh, my sister oh." We don dey see hands. And then Madam Sweet come dey shout. One aboki man jump enter inside the river. Now one fisherman, cause he come fisherman, he come still go. He find am, he no see am. He come go back to us. Now come still go back to the river again. As we dey come, now the man just start to dey beat Madam Sweet with his daughter. Say na Madam Sweet use the cookie take do ritual.
Wetin make you feel say that man come dey beat her?
I no know wetin make am.
The first get quarrel?
No.
Your landlady wey she come greet and these people they no fit dey play?
They try dey play.
So wetin come call that connection wey they come dey beat her?
I no know. Say he rescue your children.
Because the man dey talk now say na him pikin na him go show Madam Sweet the river. They arrest you because this mother say na you go show Madam Sweet the river. Which one na come wan make the whole world believe now?
The one wey the whole world wan believe be say na me go show Madam Sweet road to the river. Not be the victory.
Okay, your involvement now for this matter say na you go show am the river.
Yes.
Na me dey call your name for inside this matter. Na me dey detain you your baby.
My baby, yes, for 4 days.
Okay, good. So my sister, how you dey? Abeg sit out. Wetin be your name? The Chancellor Mota. So wetin be your involvement for this matter? Who born you? Who be this matter to you?
My sister, my mommy friend.
Okay, na your mommy friend. Wetin? Who just she come on her house?
On the 3rd of January on Sunday.
On Sunday. So she dey tell us say na first day her house during Christmas and New Year. How true is that?
Yes.
Wetin happen from on the 3rd to the river? Abeg tell the whole world make dem hear.
On the 3rd of January, this woman come to
You know,
us
see
for
where
our
back
where I go to their house for Christmas and New Year for there. From the you come from our house on the 3rd of January. So on the 4th of January, I think they call us say they want go move, but say I go show them the river. I think go show them the river. So as we dey go, cause say Mama Naomi and the star switch no come to us for road to say the mama to say we dey go river. Say yes, say we dey go river. Say me go check when the river then we dey go. Because they go the river, me and star switch tell them how come we dey go the river. Now they come meet us for because this something you go inside the river, victory and the imam and that.
You know this victory before?
Yes.
How you take know I take dey close to you?
Just our neighbor, see their house, see our house.
Okay, na be neighbor for the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, now I too come greet una.
Yes.
Okay. So how many of them did that river before na come? How many of them are coming for the river that day?
Now 4.
4 of them.
And the 2 imam and victory and the faith. 4 of them for the river.
Okay. So wetin go happen for that river? How they take wetin happen when I say people come dey shout about that thing, how that place, when I talk how that place, talk how that place be.
Star Spirit come all our children and sister Ben and Mercy, they come dey jump on side of the river. Because you my sister and treasure, come dey jump on side of the river. Mama Naomi come to back at the river, she no enter the river, but we dey side of the river. You know say because they hear sharp, we want do more dey go out because they hear sharp, we not go dey sharp. My sister. Some people come to fishermen and want aboki, make them go rescue the aboki you jump on the river, come dey find again, no see the yeah. So if fishermen come back, because they no see the again, because they go out, because they shark they go out. Oh God, because say people gather for our house, they say that people they do ritual.
So just like that. So abeg tell the whole world the truth, because not anything they do for this life. There's God at the end. There's God at the end. Tell the whole world the truth. Who carry that victory go river?
My brothers not be for them, but not be with the
Not Bunaga comot.
they not be pushing for the river.
Okay, who go show Madam Sweet the river?
Mama Naomi.
That mama baby.
Yes.
So not be the victory carry Madam Sweet go river. So as they reach us, wetin come make that man come dey beat Madam Sweet?
Say use the pikin for ritual. Say if you rescue the rest, why not you rescue the people? Say use that for ritual. Say the rest come, they not come as. But they talk say use that for ritual.
Wait, that the victory house, they are victory house now. The victory where they find, so their house. Is they close to that river?
No.
I'm
10th Street.
10th Street to the river, but at the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, that to say that the same environment with the river.
Yes.
Okay. What do people want to know? Because the man they say, the girl father they say, now sweet carry the children go river. Say the children go show sweet the river. This mama baby, they arrest am now. Since how many days? Say she to the statement say that she go show sweet at river when the children don't come on. How true be that one?
Yes, but she go show traffic. They come meet us for road.
You come meet, okay, the mama baby and sweet come meet una for road where you and your sister they go river.
Yes.
So they come go river, come meet all those other one for river.
Yes.
Are you telling the world the truth? Because anything you are saying today, you are on live camera, everybody is seeing you. God Almighty is watching you. If you decide to lie to cover a crime, one day the truth must come out. So I beg, are you telling the world the truth? Because many sympathetic people don't take this girl father matter. Because we not go use one side here matter. That's why Christian media say no. Make it look for the other parties. Make them see here for their mouths. My people, all of you can hear from the people that are involved. You can hear from their mouths now what really transpired on the river that day. We are not judging. We just want to give the second party the chance to air their own view. So please, my people, on the comment section, share your thought on it. Let's see how we can do our survey and know where to start from. So thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. This is Christian Media. We are always there for you to give you the right information at the right time. So this is the other party that are involved in Victory's case. We are heard from them. So it's not for us to analyze the statement and what is on ground or state ID and what the father is alleging. Thank you, my people.